Courts interpret contracts as written unless they contain ambiguities. In First National Bank of Lawrence versus Methodist Home for the Aged, the Kansas Supreme Court explains some basic rules of contract construction that courts use to interpret ambiguous contracts. Bertha Ellsworth moved into the Methodist Home for the Aged on May 10th. That same day, she signed a contract that Methodist drafted. The contract's first clause stated that Ellsworth gifted Methodist $10,779 in exchange for lifetime residency at Methodist. However, the contract also contained a probationary clause. This clause gave both parties 2 months to decide whether to convert the trial period into a permanent lifetime residency. If either party backed out within those 2 months, Methodist agreed to refund Ellsworth the gift she paid minus a small fee for monthly rent. Ellsworth lived at Methodist until her death on June 10th, exactly 1 month after she moved in. At that time, neither party had decided whether Ellsworth would stay at Methodist permanently or leave after the probationary period. Thereafter, the administrator of Ellsworth's estate, First National Bank of Lawrence, demanded that Methodist refund the gift to the estate. But Methodist refused, so the bank filed a claim for specific performance in a Kansas trial court. The bank argued that Ellsworth didn't attain lifetime membership, which entitled her estate to a refund of the money according to the contract terms. Methodist contended that the contract was already fully executed when Ellsworth moved in and paid the gift in exchange for a lifetime membership. The trial court found for the bank, and Methodist appealed to the Kansas Supreme Court.